What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Billy Bob, the former YouTube channel. First of all, I'm gonna give God thanks. Next, I want to thank y'all for the support y'all showing for the channel. On today is June the 10th. Me and James, we up here. We finna to watch this New Holland real quick before the sun come up. So this is a critical part of this detailing thing on this time of year in the summertime. Is getting this soap on this so it won't dry, won't stain the paint, and keep everything moving. So right now, James over here, he's inspecting everything. Got the water hose flooding everything out before we get started with the pressure washer blowing dirt and stuff all over the track. First thing we do, we flush it real good with a water hose with a nozzle. Blow all that loose debris off of it. And then next, we're gonna soap it down real good. And after we get soap it down, we're gonna put these washers and stuff on it. So I'm gonna grab a couple of cameras, put them on time lapse. So y'all stay tuned. Enjoy the music, enjoy the time lapse, and when we get to a good stopping point, after we get everything soaked down and everything, I pick the video back up from there and we'll go and show you what we got going on in the next scene. Everybody, got James over here. He's pumping everything up. We'll let it sit about 3 minutes and maybe 4. The sun's still behind the cloud. We're gonna do a really good job, but look how that dirt running off these tires and rims and everything. They got to stay on top of it while we got an opportunity while the sun is down. And, by the next hour or so, we should have this whole tractor washed off, all the way off. So we'll pick this video back up, and we'll see y'all back here around in shortly. Just got done with this first phase of washing on this tractor. Got it pretty much done. Got the sprayer right here. I'm gonna go ahead and degrease these tires. Flip the camera around real quick, show you what we got. So right now we just doing a fine tuning job. Walk around, we're looking for dirty spots, and where we spray. Might have to take a brush, towel, one broom or something just to touch these spots up. So next hour or so, we'll be done with the outside. Concentrate on getting the inside clean. And then we'll turn around and wax the dude. Try to close this one out and get started on another. So, y'all hold on, and we'll be right back shortly with the next part of this video. Alright, we're back with the next part of the video. Gotta go over here, get some instant shine. All these plastic shields and covers that goes on the inside, the outside. We're gonna get all this stuff, get it shined up, let it sit with the sun hitting it so we get an extra shine. So the raw, instant shine, whatever you wanna call it, it can dry down. It won't be real greasy. And I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the wax on the track. Get it closed out. We got it bagged in over here in the shade. So when I get close to it, James over here watching on the inside. It's coming along pretty good. We're gonna close this one out sometime today. Then we'll get started on the next one. So y'all stay tuned. When I get to the close to the inside, I will pick this video back up real quick. So let's roll. Just stepping up in the cab. I'm gonna flip the camera around real quick, show you what we got. And the process, James in the windows. And I'm gonna get ready to start putting the wax on it. Not gonna have to buff this tractor here. Paint still look good on it. Got a few scratches on it I probably touch up just to get these scratches out of it. But other than that, I think we can get away with just put some wax on it. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna keep these old camera rolling on time lapse, and we're gonna keep on moving. Alright everybody, back in the inside, trying to put everything back together. Got the plastic covers here that go in the floor and the back wall. And the shields here, right here, goes on those vents. Try to get that knocked out the way. We're gonna keep on moving. We're gonna close this thing out. We just got to get the wax off, put the seat back in here, put these covers on, then just do a 360 after we get the wax off. And it'll be over with on this one. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna keep on rolling. Alright everybody, back with the next part of the video, next to the last. And we're taking the tractor, put it back on the front line, on the used lot side. The tractor got 869 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor, low hour. It's a 100 horse New Holland. So if you're interested, hey, come on down here and Wade Incorporated Columbus store and ask for Wesley or Dustin, Bubba, Maybe Blake. They'll fix you right on up. Tell them Billy Boy sent you off the YouTube channel, and you might just get yourself a little discount. But now I'm just playing. But the old tractor cleaned up real good, so when I get out here, we'll stop, get a 360 of it, and we'll close that video out from there. All right, everybody. Gotta check this old tractor out. Cleaned up real good, shiny. Washed it, waxed it, buffed it. Inside is real clean. Look all behind the seat, man. That's why we take the seat out. Man, we got every crick and cranny, little crease that we could. Cleaned up real well. If y'all like what y'all seen so far, y'all continue to hit share, like, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll continue to drop these videos. This is what it look like for my daily grind every day. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video. We out.